Samsung was founded in the year. The headquarters of Samsung is located in. Samsung's flagship smartphone series is called. The first Samsung Galaxy smartphone was released in. Samsung's foldable smartphone series is called. The first Samsung phone to feature an S Pen was the. Samsung's custom smartphone chip is called. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra introduced AMP camera. Samsung's display technology is called. Samsung's voice assistant is called. The first Samsung smartphone with a 120Hz refresh rate was. Samsung's smartwatch series is called. Samsung's Galaxy Buds are a type of. The first Samsung phone with a periscope zoom lens was. Samsung partnered with to develop its Exynos chips. IQ score calculation. Each correct answer 1 points. Final IQ scoring level ranking. 1. 25 E score 6 to 10. Ice of Ridge 1 to 13 is impressive. 14 to 15 is genius. Comment your IQ level, subscribe, and also watch next part of this video.